Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today is World Egg Day. World Egg Day is held every second Friday on the month of October. Why? Because we need to acknowledge that egg is a hot protein. World Egg Day acknowledges that eggs are a sustainable, viable protein source for everyone around the world. So that's why we have that holiday. Today, we're going to be making a North African recipe called Shakshuka. It's great for breakfast, and I'm just adding a little twist. So let's get started. So Shakshuka is a North African dish, but it is just done in our pan. This is going to be really easy. If you're following on my blog, goodtimegal.blog or goodtimegal.com, I'm following the recipe almost to the T, with the exception of the cumin and the paprika. I'm going to be using my own seasoning, my Good Time Girl seasoning, which is available. So if you would like some, please message me. That's fine. But our pan is heating, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Yep. And now that my oil is heating up, I want to add my bell peppers and my onions. And this is a medium bell pepper and a medium onion. You can do a yellow onion, a white onion, or a purple onion. I prefer purple onions because it's sweeter. And red bell pepper, if you have aches and pains, red bell pepper is really good for arthritis. It's good for joint pain, knee pain. So I love to use it. We're going to let these simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to open the flavor. We're getting there. And I want to make sure that it's not all in the same spot. I want it evenly distributed in the pan. This is a really good breakfast trick if you have a lot of people over for the holidays and they want you to impress them with a little fancy. This is your fancy. I can make shashuka. And they'll be like, oh my God, what's shashuka? Yep, you'll thank me later. And now I'm going to add my garlic. I minced it. And this is in the recipe, so I'm following it almost exactly like the recipe, okay? And then a little salt. Some over my left. A little paprika. A pinch of red pepper flakes. And then some of my own seasoning, but not too much. Each of them do like 1/4 of a teaspoon. You don't have to add the red pepper flakes if you don't want to. And I'm gonna mix so everybody gets seasoning. Now we got sauce. Now you need 28 ounces of crushed tomato sauce, or if you're like me and you are allergic to tomatoes, you can use, I am using ketchup, 1/4 cup of ketchup with Fourth of a cup of beer. That's my sauce. That was an onion peel. I could leave it in for flavor, but I'm not. So now I'm gonna turn this down. We are going to let this simmer for 10 minutes. And then after it simmers, our last ingredient is the eggs, and then we're done. All right, so now that we've got the Shashuka sauce ready, it looks lovely. We're going to now add our eggs. And this is why you want to use a big pan, is because you're going to be putting them in different areas, okay? So I'm going to start with this one. Got one more. And for it to complete, we're gonna cover it and we're gonna just up it a little bit, not too much. Just enough for the eggs to cook. And this shouldn't take long. This should take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes so that the eggs can really get that Shashuka flavor. Super proud of us. We have done so many different techniques. We have cooked from Italy. We've cooked France, cooking in North Africa. Like, you should totally pat yourself on the back if you've been following along, because you are a superstar. Like, for real. This is hard stuff. Don't let anybody tell you it's not. It really is. It's almost there. I can see a little more. Turn it a little bit. A little more. All right, I like how it looks. The Shashuka is ready. Super happy with how it came out. This is our Shashuka. Let's dig in. All right, let's have a taste. Nothing I've made is bad, so I know it's gonna be good. Oh my God. Shashuka. It's delicious. So from my kitchen to yours, happy World Egg Day.